Welcome to today's video. In this session, we will decode one of the most essential parts of digital marketing, that is SEO. Whether you are a business owner, a content creator, or a digital marketer, understanding SEO can transform your online presence. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It is the process of improving a website's visibility on search engines like Google. When someone searches for something, SEO ensures that your website appears among the top results. Over 90% of users click on the first page of Google results. If your site is not there, you are losing traffic, leads, and sales. SEO not only boosts ranking but builds trust and long-term credibility. Search engines like Google work in three main steps: crawling, indexing, and ranking. SEO is just one thing. It includes three main types: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Each plays a different role in improving rankings. Let's understand how SEO is done. The process involves keyword research, content optimization, website improvements, and link building. Several tools help us analyze and improve SEO, from finding the right keyword to monitoring traffic. Unlike paid ads, SEO is not an overnight success. It takes weeks or months, but the results are sustainable and cost-effective in the long run. Avoid shortcuts. Black hat techniques can harm your website. Focus on clean, ethical practices for long-term growth. To sum it up, SEO is your digital backbone. It builds your visibility, attracts quality traffic, and fuels long-term growth. Start slow, stay consistent, and trust the process. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more digital marketing insights. Got questions? Drop them in the comment section below.